dolls, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am going to be showing you a new product that I bought from my Walmart. My Walmart. So if you're interested in the video, stay tuned. Alright, so today's video I'm going to be showing you 3 hair masks, or not hair masks, they're actually called Hask Greek yogurt, and they're deep conditioners. I want to know right now, let me know if you all have ever heard of this product or if you've ever tried it. So go ahead and comment down now so you don't forget. While you're doing that, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you can be notified of all my videos. Okay, so getting into the video, Hask. I've never heard of it before. I was actually in my local Walmart when I even saw the deep conditioner. I was like, what? Bet, let's try it. So in the near future, I know I'm not showing you all now my wash day of my deep conditioner because I just did one, and if you have not checked it out, then check the cards because I did a video on it. So the conditioner I did, wash day, was on the Olaplex. So yeah, so this is Hask Greek yogurt deep conditioner. It is a hydrating conditioner. It also states that they restore damage, smooth the hair, etc. Now these 2 Hask masks here are the yogurt ones, and these are as it states, a hydrating. They come in so many different types of scents. So this one has Greek yogurt with fig and honey, and then another one that I got was coconut and honeydew. So I'm really eager to see what that smells like. So I will be using these for my deep conditionings. So just FYI, if you're trying to do deep conditioner, make sure that you read the back of this because it is a protein packed and full of calcium to help nourish and moisturize the hair. So if you're like protein sensitive, I would say just try a little bit out, see how that works for you, because I know sometimes people tell me I'm very protein sensitive, it does da da da, da to my hair when I do protein. So FYI, I just told you. Now the next one I have is the Argan Oil. Now I love Argan Oil. This is Argan Oil from Morocco. So it says it strengthens, restores, smooths dry, damaged hair. I couldn't even read it for a minute, so excuse me. But this one, it states that it is free of, may I read it to you, free of parabens, sulfates, gluten, drying alcohol. So girl, this might be the first one that I try because I'm starting to definitely want to try products that are paraben free, gluten free, so, and sulfate free. So this one is also a hydrating treatment that will restore and smooth dry, damaged, chemically treated, over processed hair. So girl, this is going to be actually the first one that I try because I'm very eager to see how it's going to treat whether it's over processed hair, which I don't have any problems with that, but the fact that it states that it smooths dry, damaged hair and restores the hair, I'm all for it. I just want to see if there's a difference because y'all know I did a video on my Olaplex and I loved it. So what I'm going to do on my wash day is I'm going to do my conditioner for the Olaplex, my shampoo, my conditioner for the Olaplex, and then I'm going to follow up with that deep conditioner. Girl, my hair gonna be loving me. Like my hair already right now. If you all have not tried the Olaplex, and this is not a video that I'm getting paid on, this is not sponsored, I love the Olaplex. Like it really has my hair feeling so soft, like alive, bouncy, restored. Like it's just really look at my hair. Look for yourself. Look. I just did a moisturizing seal on it, so yeah, I'm loving it. So I think that's gonna be it with the video. Stay tuned for the wash day, or another wash day actually, which will be coming up this week. It's going to be a wash day with including my deep conditioning. So I hope you all like it. Comment on any other videos that you want to see me do on my hair.
Hey dolls, enjoying the video so far? Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel as well as clicking the notification bell to be notified of all my many videos that I love to post. Make sure you also comment down below on any questions that you may have on any video. Now let's get back to the video.
I just got so many layers in my head, like it's ridiculous right now. Like my longest part of my hair is here, is my front. So I feel like if my front, let's see, like my front, all of this front is so long. So I'm trying to get the rest of my hair to even out to this length. So that's where I'm at right now, is just trying to get, sorry about my deodorant, but get to a healthy hair. And I'm not saying that all of my hair has to be the same length, because I do understand that the different parts of my hair, whether it broke off in the past and me having to cut it, or me messing up on my own trim, like I do understand that's the reason why my hair has different lengths to it. But I do go in, do the search and destroy method by looking at my ends and just cutting any ends that look raggedy or crazy. So that's why my ends just look a lot better. Let me see if I can show you all what my ends are looking like. It's so thick when I blow dry my hair. So that's what my ends are looking like, just looking a lot better. I feel like if you could tell if a person's ends are looking just kind of jaggy or thin and just crazy at the end, then just cut them off, because I've learned that no matter how much and I do, certain parts of my hair just need to be trimmed because of just the length of time that it's been there, and different hairstyles that I had tried in the past, whether it was my wigs and so forth. So that's how I'm learning on my journey, is like every hairstyle I cannot try, every protective style I cannot try, you know, every product I cannot try, because there are certain products that will dry the freaking heck out of your hair, and then not following through with deep conditions, drinking your waters, certain things like that will have an effect on the hair. So I'm done, y'all. I feel like I rambled way too much. I know I have. So make sure you all just don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and turn on your notification bell. I just want to, like I said, just show you all a new conditioner that I will be using, instead of just surprising you on my wash day. So I will see you dolls later. Bye, dolls.
Coming up next.
Trees, you can leave your worries. Listen to the waves. You say you wanna get so high. Breathe me in like air tonight. Listen to the waves.